Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, billing enabled, identity verified, and a domain registered. Once done, enable Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and Cloud DNS APIs so services can be provisioned. Next, reserve a static external IP now. Make sure to choose the correct region for latency. Finally, add in a record in your domain provider pointing to that IP, because DNS propagation begins early. This gets you ready to deploy files or VMs without surprises and keeps your domain tied to GCP resources. Now you deploy the actual hosting. If it's static, create a storage bucket name to match your domain and upload files. Set the bucket to public and configure website index and 404. If dynamic, create a Compute Engine VM, install web server, and deploy your app. Configure firewall rules to allow HTTP/HTTPS. Once resources exist, set up a global HTTPS load balancer and request a managed SSL certificate. This secures traffic and enables Cloud CDN for fast delivery. Finish by validating end-to-end. Confirm DNS resolves to the reserved IP, wait for SSL issuance, then open your URL in a browser. Once live, test with curl and run Lighthouse or similar to check performance and accessibility. Monitor Stackdriver logs and load balancer logs to find request failures. If something breaks, first check firewall rules, service account IAM, and bucket ACLs. These cause 90% of issues. Lastly, roll back deployments or redeploy a minimal working version to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.